Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Nice to have you join me again on today's channel. If you're new to my channel, do hit that subscribe button. My name is Afolake, and on this channel we just share things that help new immigrants settle easily and faster in a new land. And we share information for you if you're outbound, if you're in here already in Canada, you have one or two things to pick up and learn. So hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and always give us a thumbs up, guys. So this is summer wrapping up. It's going to be officially over September 22, but I guess the weather has been telling us that summer is wrapping up. The weather has been kind of chilly. The weather has been kind of chilly, and honestly, for everyone that have landed maybe before they know what the season or the cold season looks like, they've been saying it's cold. But well, for a few of us that have understood some of the way the weather is just the way it is, just transiting into the fall period. So we're going into fall. So this is also a wake-up call to as many new immigrants that have landed during summer. That's not the way our weather is all year round. Go get your gears, go get the things that you're going to get prepared for the winter season. Go get it. News have it that this winter is going to be not easy. So go get your gears. I know so many new immigrants have been reaching out to me where they need to get items from. If you can't afford, I always would route you back to thrift store. There are so many thrift stores around the city. You can go get something for cheap for now until you settle down and earn enough to be able to buy the things that you can buy as new. If you have funds to buy new, you can go to the stores as well. There's Walmart. There are other stores. Remember to buy your winter boots as well, or canvases that grip so well, because you need them interchangeably as well. When you don't really have thick snow, you want to put on canvas as well. Just look good, guys, and keep safe and keep warm. So this, as we wrap up the summer period, there's still so many gigs. But this year, this summer, it's like a never before summer. It's been one outing or one event or the other. But I'm glad that I had time to attend a couple, and it's tiring now as we all try to wind down. But we still have a couple that are coming up, and obviously plan to still attend some of them. I'm trying out some things at home. It's been a while. I brought you food recipes as well, so I'm going to be doing some of those. I'm going to be showing you that in this vlog. And well, just to tell you that I'm still here for you guys. I'm still building content for you. I'm still sharing information that you need, and you will always get stuff from this channel. So it's Saturday. It's a chilly good day. So many things to do around the house, and prepare for some other outdoor activities, which I'm going to share or take you along as I proceed, or as I actually make time to go. So but I want to cook. I want to make some things. Stick around and don't go anywhere. Just keep watching and have fun. See you later, guys. Hello my people, you're welcome to Flookiesden. This is another vlog, another day in the vlog. We've been starting vlogs in the car these days, but it's because we are still enjoying our outdoor vlogging. And guys, guess what I'm about to do? Guess where I'm going to? I'm actually going to the park. We have an outing, we have a hangout that we have with a few of our friends. Let me backtrack a bit and tell you the story of this particular group. So this group started when we were all finding ways in which we can move to Canada, and we were in a mother group on Telegram. Somehow in the Telegram group we found ourselves and realized that we had common location or destination that we were moving to. Apart from maybe the profession that we all had, those that were coming to Saskatoon or Saskatchewan, Regina, Saskatoon, and all those other provinces had to kind of disengage from the group. So the group started with me and some other guy, Daplo. If you watch one of my videos that I mentioned his name. So we initiated the group and reached out to other people that were in the same boat with us, and then we moved into the WhatsApp group, and the WhatsApp group have actually grown since then. This has been since 2018, if I'm not mistaken, or 2018, about that. And then we moved into that group. It's been an admin after an admin and after admin, as we move here, of course, priorities change and other people take over the group as admins, and they've been doing well. So it's time for us to meet up with those that have actually landed newly, our generations that we have given birth to from that group. But funny enough, some of them we don't know them because like our group too, we all met here. We've been chatting, gisting, keeping a tab on our timelines on WhatsApp, calling ourselves, but we didn't meet, apart from one or two people that I met when I went to pick up my passport for my family. Other people we didn't meet physically until we landed there and like, oh, are you this? Oh, are you that? Oh, are you this? And it was so much joy and excitement. So just to also extend that love to those new people that just landed, and also to help them navigate the journey to settling into Canada. This is a needed hangout. So we are all moving that way. I made, it's always a potluck in Canada. For those of you that don't live abroad, here you don't, except you have the money to host. But when it comes to this kind of hangout, we make it a potluck whereby everybody has to bring something for the entire group to share. So I picked puff puff. Let me say it in my local language, puff. That's what it's called, and it's made out of flour and so many other things, which I will put on the screen. I've been able to film how I made it for as many that want to learn it. I've not done cooking recipe in quite a while, but I'll make this one of it. So I'm going to add it to this video so you can also see how I made it. And to also appease my oga, because he prefers buns, I had to make buns the day before so that he will not say puff again. So I had to make buns for the whole house, and at least I was at rest. And mind you, I was still just getting out of my illness that I had the week before, but I'm strong and I think I need to be in this hand. I'm excited that I want to meet old faces, new faces, and those that we've been communicating via phone. We've never had reason or means to meet up really. So this is an exciting hangout for me and the entire group. At least for those of us that initiated that group, we are excited to meet. So I, your vlogger queen, will be showing you how the events goes. Let's see how it goes and our meetup and the excitement. Yeah, see you guys.
WhatsApp name is Gio. Yeah. Okay. So I've been here for 3 years. I came in July 2019. And they said it was summer, so I wore like business stuff. It's a white cake, it's born in Lagos. White cake.